Dear students, let us learn to apply law of exponents on real numbers. We have studied about law of exponents. Let us apply it to real numbers. Now first law of exponents is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Here look at the bases and look at the powers. Bases are same, powers are different. While multiplying you have to add the powers. Keep the base same. For example, 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 6 is equal to, base is same 5, add the powers, 3 plus 6, that is equal to 5 to the power 9. If bases are equal, then add the powers while multiplying. Now while dividing, if bases are same and powers are different, then while dividing subtract the powers. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. See an example. 2 to the power 9 divided by 2 to the power 6 is equal to, bases are equal, so 2 to the power 9 minus 6, subtract the powers, that is equal to 2 to the power 3. See the next law of exponents. A to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. See here, bases are different, powers are equal. While multiplying this, multiply the bases and keep the power same. Now take an example. 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 is equal to, while multiplying this, multiply the bases, power is same 5. 2 into 3 to the power 5, that is 6 raised to the power 5. Next law of exponent is a to the power m divided by b to the power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. Bases are different, powers are equal. While dividing, divide the bases, then write the power as it is. For example, 8 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3. Bases are different, so power keep same. So 8 by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are, that is equal to 4 to the power 3. Now a to the power m whole to the power n. We have two powers here, m and n. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Multiply the powers. Now 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 5, that is equal to 2 to the power 15. Now let us apply this law of exponents to real numbers. You know the general form of real numbers. Now nth root of a is a irrational number. Nth root of a is a irrational number. How to write in the exponential form or index form? Here n is the order, a is the radicand. While writing in exponential form, write the radicand as the base, that is a power 1 by n. N is the order. Take an example. Square root of 2. How to write in the exponential form? Here radicand is 2, write that, and order is 2. Here there is no number over the radical sign, so 1 by 2. 2 is the order. Square root of 3. 3 radicand power 1 by order. Order is 2. Square root it is, so order is 2. Square root of 5. 5 to the power 1 by order. What is the order? 2. Square root of 7. 7 to the power 1 by, what is the order? Order is 2. Cube root of 2. Here order is 3, radicand is 2. So 2 to the power 1 by order, that is 3. So 2 to the power 1 by 3. Cube root of 5. Radicand 5 to the power 1 by, what is the order? 3. So 1 by 3. 5 to the power 1 by 3. Fourth root of 6 is equal to 6 to the power 1 by order 4. 1 by 4. Fifth root of 2, 27 is equal to 27 to the power 1 by order, that is 5. This is about writing irrational numbers in the exponential form. Now nth root of a to the power m is an irrational number. How to write it in the exponential form? See here, write the radicand a and its power is m. So a to the power m by order. A to the power m by n. N is the order. Now square root of 2 cube is 2 to the power 3. 3 is the power of 2 divided by order. Order is 2 because it is square root here. 2 to the power 3 by 2. Cube root of 5 to the power 2. Here 5 to the power 2 by 3. Fourth root of 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 by 4. Now square root of 3 to the power 3, that is 3 to the power 3 by order. Order is 2, so 3 by 2. Square root of 2 to the power 7. 2 to the power 7 by order, that is 2. 2 to the power 7 by 2. Square root of 3 to the power 9 is equal to 3 to the power 9 by 2. 2 is the order, 9 is the power of the radicand. This is about writing irrational numbers in the exponential form. Now let us apply rule of exponents to irrational numbers. Now 2 to the power 3 by 2 into 2 to the power 5 by 2. 2 to the power 3 by 2 into 2 to the power 5 by 2. So 2 to the power, bases are equal, so 2 to the power, powers are different, so you have to add the powers. 2 to the power 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Bases are equal, so write 2 in the denominator, add the numerators. 8 by 2. So 2 to the power, you can cancel 2 and 8. 2 4s are 8, so 2 to the power 4. See next one. 3 to the power 7 by 2 whole to the power 8. If there are two powers, then what we have to do? We have to multiply the powers. 3 to the power 7 by 2 whole to the power 8 is equal to 3 to the powers are 7 by 2 and 8, multiply it. 3 to the power 7 by 2 into 8. So 2 ones are 2 fours are, so 3 to the power 7 fours are 28. 3 to the power 28. Now 5 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 5 to the power 1 by 6. While dividing exponents, if the bases are equal, then we have to subtract the powers. 5 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. Now 5 to the power, look at the fractions, denominators are different, so we have to equalize the denominator. For that, you have to take the LCM of 2 and 6 by prime factorization method. Now LCM of 2 and 6 is 2 into 3, that is 6. Now equalize the denominators into 6. 2 3s are 6. Multiply the numerator by the same number. Now 6 ones are 6. Multiply by 1. Now 5 to the power 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6. That is 5 to the power 6 is the denominator. 3 minus 1 is, sorry, it is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 by 6, that becomes 1 by 3. Correct it. 5 to the power 1 by 3 it is. Now simplify this. 64 to the power 3 by 4. Here base is 64, power is 3 by 4. But the base is not a prime number. So we have to prime factorize 64. To simplify this, prime factorize 64. 2 32s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So 64 can be written in the exponential form as 2 to the power, how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power 6. So 64 is equal to 2 to the power 6. Now 2 to the power 6 whole to the power 3 by 4. I have written 64 as 2 to the power 6. Now 2 to the power 6 into 3 by 4. 2 3s are, 2 2s are. So 2 to the power 3 3s are 9 by 2. Answer is 2 to the power 9 by 2. Now simplify 25 to the power 1 by 5. 25 is not a prime number, so prime factorize 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So 25 can be written in the exponential form as 5 to the power 2. So 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 by 5. That is equal to 5 to the power 2 into 1 by 5. 5 to the power 2 by 5. This is the simplest form.